It doesn't matter what the welds look like, as long as the penetration with the two sheet metals are good. So, welcome back to my channel. It's been 2 weeks now, so I thought I'd show you guys what I've been doing. It takes a lot of time doing this because there's no pre-manufactured pieces that you can buy and just spot weld it in place. You have to fabricate everything. So what I've been doing these 2 weeks is this. I finished left side, driver's side inner fender well here, and from the other side looks like this. I'm working on the right side. I haven't finished it yet, but I'm working on it. And from the inside it looks like this. Working, like I said, I'm working on the other side. But I'm pretty happy with the result. We also did this upper. I had to widen this the tower here for this coils on the struts, because the 460 is so much narrower in the front than the 850. So I don't know if you can see it from in here, but you had to notch that out, and it's reinforced with dual pieces of sheet metal. You got the outer one here, goes from up here all the way down to this end. It's a half circle like this. And then you have on the inside, you have one that goes from on the inside of the tower here. From the inside here, it goes all the way down, almost to the end here. So it's like two pieces holding this together. So I'm pretty sure that's strong enough. And because the 460 fender here, it goes out like a bump here, and the 850 did not, so I had to manufacture a piece here that makes them together. Oh, bless me, thank you. But everything is welded from both sides. So this is welded here, but it's also welded from the inside, everywhere. And this piece is put on, what's the English word for it? They're not butt joints. They're on top of each other, and it's welded from both sides. You can actually see some penetration here from the other side. So same with this one, it's welded from both sides. Both this thing and down here. And you can also, let's tip this a little bit. Let's see if you can see it on the camera. But here are the penetration from the other side. Goes all the way, even up here. You can see the penetration. Because it's been a lot of, not a lot, but I had some comments on my one of my shorts videos about my welding. Looked like crap. And it's true, it looks like crap, but it doesn't matter what it looks like, as long as the penetration is good. And you can see here from those square profiles I put on underneath the car as an extra reinforcement. You can see the penetration here when I welded those. Same with this one. This is the penetration from the what's it called? The mount for the carrier bearing on the drive shaft. The penetration. Same here. I mean, these welds look like crap, but this is penetrations from the other side. So it doesn't matter what the welds look like, as long as the penetration with the two sheet metals are good. You got same in the rear here, where I welded the subframe. See, penetration. This side, on this side. Same in the fender well, penetration. So it doesn't matter what the welds look like, as long as the penetration is good. The sheet metals, they stick together. And on a side note, when it comes to this car, I'm going to show you something. Hang on a bit, I got to get some tools. So this is the kind of thickness of metal I'm working with. I got a low battery, so it's flashing. Can you see this? 0.7 millimeter. So I'm working with 0.7 millimeter sheet metal, and you get this. See the residue from when the welding? That's because I think it's the paint, the primer paint that they use on this car is galvanized, because that's a sign of galvanized metal. So, and you know, galvanization, it contaminate the weld itself. So this is not, it's not easy to weld on this car. So I rather have a crappy weld and it really penetrated good, burned through the good, than trying to do a professional nice weld, which I think is kind of impossible on this car, because in some places I'm welding 1.5 mil steel against 0.7, so you need to set the welder so it kind of melts the 1.5, but that's like too strong for 0.7. So, but I don't know, I'm not a professional welder. But I guess that's it. I'm still working on the other side. I'm not filming my cutting sheet metals and welding. That's kind of boring. So when I'm finished on the other side, I got to do the engine compartment, fix that up. And then I got this one left, and I'm gonna I'm not gonna order. I'm gonna call for an appointment to make the first SFRO inspection and see if I get to scrap this project or if it's okay. maybe fixable some places. We'll see. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.